Hello guys, my name is Davi Rosa and welcome to my very new channel. And today I will be doing a drawing of Taylor Lashai using charcoal pencil. Basically I just used the Wolf's Carbon charcoal pencil, the 6B, and a kneaded eraser as well as a Tombow Zero mono eraser. For the ones that wants to do also an exercise or try to do the same drawing, I will leave a link in the description where you can find or download the same reference image. I don't know who is the photographer, but the model is Taylor Lashai, as I said. And my goal with this channel is to provide the reference images as well as taking the photos itself, because I'm a photographer as well. So I already did some photo shoots to upload specific pictures to the channel and to share with you guys, so it will be more easy to get along with you. And also if you have the same reference, you can see which decisions I made with the values, the shapes, and so it makes things a little more clear to you, so it's easy to study this way, I guess. Okay, and today I would like to talk about loose drawings, the drawings that has a kind of fresh, quick style, which is my preferred style of shading. So how to achieve this loose style and how to train and to develop it. But please, I would like to ask you guys tips and as well comments with the things that you prefer to see, or maybe, I don't know, I'm doing a voiceover video, so it's a speed up video. I'm doing kind of for you if you want to see it faster, but I can also do a normal length video. This drawing took me 1 hour to complete. So if you guys are interested in more completed drawings where I talk while I'm working and my decisions, I can do a more complete one. The length will be 1 hour, so it will depending on you, but I prefer shorter videos just because I can watch it very fast. So leave in the comments what do you prefer, so I can make the other videos as the way you prefer it. Okay, so how to achieve looseness in your strokes and drawings. This is a kind of tricky thing that I faced 10 years, 11 or 12 years ago when I was doing a master design course. It's in IED, Istituto Europeo di Design, in Italy. So I was not able to draw loose with confidence in my strokes, in my hands. In my hand, I just draw with right hand. But the point was that I was drawing so tight, and it doesn't please me. I think if I just make it faster, and it would leave things more beautiful. So I have no idea to tackle, but in that period I started to kind of in a not planned way to draw people. In that period I was just an industrial designer, and I start to do Bridgman's method, Michael Hampton's method. So after that, I copied Bridgman a lot, and I started to do gesture drawings. So maybe that's how I got looser with my strokes. And I'm not saying maybe. This is the main reason why. But how? The answer is timed practice. With this type of exercise, you have to complete the drawing, not the drawing, the gesture just. I used to use 120 seconds. It's 2 minutes just for each pose. So you set your mind just to make the main shapes. You don't search for details or funky little curves. You just simplify your drawing. So in this way also, the main thing is to draw, as I said, big shapes. So the big shapes needs big strokes, and with the velocity of the exercises and the shape of the lines, the length of the lines, it makes me to create muscle memories as well as to draw fast. In the beginning, now for more than years, I did a gesture drawing in a kind of rush feeling. So I just want to do as much as I can in this short amount of time. So I was drawing fast. I sometimes I used to ghost when you draw a very light line, and after the ghost I do a permanent line. As you can see, I'm always ghosting in my drawings, but nowadays I find that I don't need to ghost anymore because I already found confidence in my strokes, lines, but it's a bad habit that I want to leave behind. But anyway, if you like, guys, I can talk more about gesture exercise, how to achieve likeness, the things that you get with gesture. I can show you the way I do gesture as well. So thank you guys for watching. Please like if you did it, and leave comments. Don't hesitate. Bye.